morning, sir. Morning, sir.
Be seated.
Thank you, sir.
So while sitting, you can open the buttons. Too.
Sir, this one?
That should always be done, no?
When we say the district administration,
Yes.
what we mean? Collector,
Yes, sir.
deputy collectors, what else in the district administration?
So there are Tehsildar officers.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm not able
That's
to
all.
recall. No, sir, there are many, but I'm not able to recall, sir.
ये GS2 जब प्रिपेयर किया होगा ये
Yes,
तो
sir.
पढ़ा होगा ना GS2
Yes.
में तो सारा ये
ये तो 3 आदमी हुए मतलब. You see, with 3 persons, how will you handle a district having 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs population? Just recollect.
Yes, sir. So then at least there can be deputy collectors also. Sir.
Can be.
Yes, sir. There are deputy collectors.
This is all you see, revenue side. What other? Which are other agencies? Which are
Sir,
other?
apart from this, from law and order section, it would be superintendent of police.
What is law and order section?
Sir, from the policing department, sir, I'm saying.
The police is a separate wing.
Yes, sir, it is completely a separate wing. Sir.
Then what else?
So then there would be officers for urban planning.
Urban planning.
Yes, sir. Sir, traffic management would be a different section also.
Have you?
एक तो बेटा थोड़ा ये दूर कर लो सेक्शन मत बोलो प्लीज बिकॉज इन इंटरव्यू यू विल इमीडिएटली बी डिस्कार्डेड
Yes, sir.
सेक्शंस नहीं होते हैं कभी भी इसका थोड़ा सा पढ़ लेना चाहिए
Yes.
these are not sections
Yes.
Panchayati Raj.
Yes, sir.
Huge Panchayati Raj. So many departments. Jila Parishad, District Development Officer,
Yes.
Chief Executive Officer,
Yes.
DRDA. I mean, many. You see,
There are
this
many,
is
sir.
mini government at district level. What are your dreams actually you would like to fulfill as an officer? What will be your priorities? What you would like to do? What do you feel actually? Why you are going for this? What is driving you to join this service?
Sir, the diversity this service provides is driving me, sir, because it forms the core of the development planning and the policy making front of the governance of this country.
ये प्लानिंग बात मत यूज करो इतना थोड़ा सा वर्ड्स को ना कंट्रोल कर लो sorry to just because this is a training session
Yes, sir.
and then use the word don't be in hurry
Yes.
cool down think of it what he has asked and then try to answer
I am asking you, what is driving you to join this service? I mean, what you have in your mind? I mean, you have see dreams that if I join, I mean, this I would like to correct. This I will. I am asking about that. Forget theoretical things.
Yes.
Forget what you have. You see, prepared for your main exam.
Yes, sir.
Just say actually why you are here.
Sir, in a district, there are many things which need to be corrected.
Not district. Now I am asking about service. Why this civil service?
Yes.
What is driving you to join civil service? 1, 2, 3.
Sir,
तो देखा होगा ना सोचा होगा ना जब भी तो
sir, for example, in my district, sir, Mr. O.P. Chaudhary, ex-IAS officer, sir, he has started many good initiatives which I have witnessed myself. So, for example, the lake beautification scheme of Raipur, in which many ponds like Telibanda Pond, Katora Tala ponds were beautified. So, it attracted tourists and it completely changed the landscape
so
of
this
that
is one
region.
thing according to you then second thing
So, second thing would be,
he's asking for 3 things at least you should tell this so this is one thing which is motivating you
yes, sir.
then second
So, secondly, in this service, sir, personals also get opportunity to represent India in different multilateral organizations like WTO, United Nations.
चलो नंबर 2 हो गया ये, 2 चीज़ें हुआ। थर्ड चीज़ क्या मोटिवेट कर रही है आपको?
So third would be the policy making front.
पॉलिसी कैसे, कहाँ पे, किस स्टेज पे बनाओगे पॉलिसी जाके आप?
Sir, at higher stages.
तो वो तो कब पहुँचोगे आप? 30-32 साल बाद?
Yes.
तो वो अभी से आपको उस चीज़ को ड्राइव कर रहे हैं आपको?
Sir, these only I can recall right now, sir.
Ayush, what did you read today?
Sir, today I have not read anything, sir.
Yesterday?
Sir, newspaper, sir, I have read.
What did you read in the newspaper?
Sir, I have read about the protests which are currently going on in the Shaheen Bagh area of Delhi.
So what was in the news yesterday?
जनरल मत बोलो, कल क्या है? सर ने ये पूछा था कि कल न्यूज़पेपर में क्या पढ़ा आपने, शाहीन बाग के बारे में क्या पढ़ा कल? कल तो कुछ था ही नहीं, आज है शाहीन बाग के बारे में तो इतना ज़्यादा।
Sir, in Indian Express also, sir.
हाँ, क्या था बताओ?
क्या था वो बताओ?
Sir, I'm not able to recall, sir.
Okay, how would you characterize that Shaheen Bagh protest?
Sir, it is against the Citizenship Amendment Act, and sir,
But it is happening at 100 other places. What is the characteristic of Shaheen Bagh protest?
sir, I'm not.
Why it has got so much prominence in the news?
Yes, sir.
वो बहुत जगह पे हो रही है, हैदराबाद में हो रही है, I mean so many places. Even दिल्ली में भी बहुत जगह पे हो रही है.
Yes, sir. So because maybe because it is in a very populous region, and
और फिर पॉपुलर
say a populous region, it is.
वो दिल्ली में every region is a populous,
Yes. So I'm not.
except perhaps JNU, which is.
तुमने पढ़ा वो आर्टिकल था, एडिटोरियल था, न्यूज
So
कॉलम
it
था?
was headlines, sir.
खाली headlines.
मतलब article.
सिविल सर्विस एस्पायरेंट्स और हेडलाइंस थोड़ी जो
Sir, I have
इम्पोर्टेंट
read
है उसको
it,
पूरा
but
पढ़ोगे ना?
sir, I have read it, but
Okay.
sir, I have read about the recent
Okay.
current affairs. Sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So, Ayush, you have done graduation in metallurgy.
Yes, sir.
So, what have you studied?
Sir, metallurgy, sir, is a science of material science, in which different properties of metals are being studied, and sir, its usage in different fields.
If you want to cut a metal, there are some special type of cutters available. Can you give me some names? Are you familiar with gas cutter?
Yes, sir, there are different cutters. So for example, sir, I have seen one in which high velocity water is being projected to cut metals, sir.
Any acetylene gas cutter or something?
No, sir, I have not seen, sir.
Nothing. What is gold hallmarking? Hallmarking of the gold jewelry.
Sir, I am not aware of this, sir.
How many carats are there in gold jewelry?
So I heard about 24 carats, sir.
Other than
24 कैरेट?
The highest is 24, sir.
Okay.
That I have
that,
heard.
other
Sir.
than that,
Sir, I am not aware, sir.
22 could be there.
Yes, sir.
18.
Sir,
So, how would they assay or evaluate the purity of gold? As a metallurgy student, tell me some basic principle.
Sir, it would be, I am not very sure, sir, but it would be the percentage of impurity.
Yeah, so how will you measure that?
अप्लाई बेसिक प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ मेटलर्जी भाई।
Yes, sir. So we can do microstructure study about it, sir.
What else? Some spectroscopy analysis,
Sir,
spectral analysis.
yes, sir. SEM can be done, sir.
Can we do chromatography?
Sir, I'm not able to recall, sir.
You have given 15th preference to Indian Ordnance Factory Services. So, what do you think that job is? What is ordnance?
So it is related with explosives and ammunition which are required for the government.
So what type of metals do you think this factory would be using more other than the common iron, steel, aluminum that is given? What else? What type of metals they would be using?
Some metals.
Metals. What is gun metal?
Sir, I am not aware of this, sir.
अच्छा चलो सिंपल सा आंसर बता दो सर को कि जो बॉम्ब्स होते हैं ना
Yes, sir.
उनकी शेल किससे बनती है वो तो बता सकते हैं ऐसा मतलब
Sir, I am not aware of this, sir.
Tungsten, titanium. Are you familiar with these metals?
Yes, sir.
So among them, which will have more density? Tungsten and titanium.
Sir, tungsten would be more dense than, sir, titanium.
But it is said that titanium is the most strongest metal,
Yes, sir.
even used in tank armor.
Yes, sir.
So how would that be possible?
Sir, because it is ductile also, sir, so it can be shaped into different forms.
But for tank armor, you will not have very hard material, no? Anyways, leave it. This NCC, you have done C certificate.
Yes, sir.
So in an NCC shield, from left to right, what are the colors?
Sir, in NCC,
Shield.
sir, I am
There
not
is
aware.
a shield shape
Yes,
in
sir.
NCC. Tell me how many colors are there?
Sir,
colors.
3.
Which colors?
Sir, blue, red, and white, sir.
White represents what?
Sir, in NCC, I don't know, but generally it means peace, sir.
What is NCC song?
Sir, I have sang many times, but right now I am not.
Just words.
Sir, इस starting word is हम सब भारतीय हैं.
बस तो वही तो problem. आता था तो
Have you ever attended any training camps?
Yes, sir. 2 training camps, sir. I have
So
attended.
what did they teach you there?
So it was a 10-day training camp in which there were, sir, physical activities, cultural activities, and
Was there any rifle shooting training?
yes, sir.
What was the caliber of the rifle?
Sir, I'm not able to.
.22.
Sir, I think it was 0.25, sir.
So what was the mechanism? Self-loading, breech loading. Did they teach you some theory?
Yes, sir, they have taught, but I am not able to recall, sir.
Okay, no issue. You are from Chhattisgarh.
Yes, sir.
Suppose I take a aeroplane flight from Gujarat to Chhattisgarh, straight flight in aeroplane. How many states will I cross? Gujarat to Chhattisgarh.
Yes, sir. Sir, after Gujarat, sir, so including Gujarat and Chhattisgarh,
In between, you just narrate the names, I'll know.
sir, Maharashtra, southern Madhya Pradesh, southern Chhattisgarh, sir. So if it is,
And if I were to take a highway, which highway will be?
sir, I am not aware of the highway, sir.
Okay, no. Sir, that is all.
So thank you very much. We shall call you after 5 minutes.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, beta, be seated.
Thank you, sir.
But we have few suggestions for you.
Yes.
Number one, now when is your interview?
So 31st March.
Oh, it's sufficient time is there. Secondly, whenever you are giving so many times that I don't know,
Yes, sir.
it means you are killing yourself. So never do it in the interview board. Because it is not possible that you don't know. At that time, particularly, you are not aware, you are not recollecting. That is a possibility. But you cannot say that I don't know. Moreover, whenever you are going to speak about certain words, certain sentences, then you should be very, very careful that the next question may be asked on that particular thing.
Yes.
There were so many things on which the second answer was not available with you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so whenever you are trying to give answer, use the words very, very carefully.
Yes, sir.
And next point, you might not be knowing each and everything in this word, but specifically those things which you have studied, like metallurgy science, you have studied.
Yes, sir.
You have studied for your mains geography. Now these two subjects have to be prepared very, very carefully and extensively,
Yes, sir.
so that you are not putting a low and long face before the board, because Your basic strengths are there. Unnecessarily, why should we hide our basic strengths and let the people exploit your knowledge base?
Yes.
This is a chance with you, you have reached to this stage. So you will have to put in some effort.
Yes.
And one course is essential where you are taught about the critical things, important things which are happening around you in the world and in the country.
Sir,
Right.
if I may add one thing.
Yeah.
Sir, as you rightly said, 1 month course. And in addition, Unacademy is giving all these students
Yeah.
1 month's free subscription during this interview.
Yeah,
So it is
yeah.
not like even you have to pay some
Don't have to
money
pay
and-
money.
all
So
this.
you just
So
go
you
and
simply
attend
go
this
and
course,
Yes.
and we are running a specific course where we are telling all these things. All critical issues, important issues are being told, right? And a few of our courses. So you should do that.
Yes.
That will give you a very, very broad picture of everything which is happening around you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other question from your side?
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you. All the very best.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, please.